Today we are gonna be playing Don't Press the Button, but I press it anyway. Ready to color these tiles? Team Red! Team Red for sure. But we are little people in this game. We have to color all the tiles red. Team Red, Team Red, Team Red, Team Red, Team Red. Okay. Team Red! Yes! We won! Okay. I pressed the button. Noob. The noob. We have to collect the coins. Oh, whoa. Whoa, this is like an obby. I played this game before, but I never seen this update. I hope I don't fall. I hope Whew, we made it. Now what? I think we have to go back. But I don't see the zombies. Where are they? The noob. Okay, we have to push the people off with our people. No! Oh, we're going pushing off. I'm trying to push off people, but none of them are Yes, I won 5 coins. Let's go. Run away from the... I already died. How am I supposed to run away from the tornado? Oh, yeah. Oh. Oh my God. The tornado is huge. But at least the tornado disappeared. Get ready to snowball. Okay, let's go. Sword fight. Sword. Oh! I already died? This game is such... Oh, that was so close. That game is piece of poo. Ew. I lost on the first try. What a bummer. Never give up. Snowball fight. Snowball. Let's go. Oh, he fell. Oh. I'm trying to survive. I I've survived that. So, all the stages have been almost from fighting. Ducks are falling. Duck, come on, land in my basket. Oh no. Oh no. Oh. No! That was so close. One. I made one duck. Two ducks. And 3 ducks. I made 3 ducks. 9 ducks. What the heck? So unfair. Hey, they ruined my shot moment. Ugh. But this game has different levels. At this point, there are so many new hobbies. Don't jump off. The zombies. Is the floor gonna kill you? Or the zombies? Run for dear life. I see no zombies. I literally see no zombies. The survivors win. I get on the blue platform. Oops! You got scammed. Now what? I want to find the correct pad. Come on. I want to find the correct... Yes! I found the correct pad! I am a champion! Yes, I am. What is that mysterious... Oh. I forgot to press record. Burger. The building is burning. How do I escape? This is like a literal maze. Oh no. This is an obby! Woo! Ah! Oh my god! Okay, I'm out of clues. No! I'm out of clues! I'm stuck! No. Okay, the glass! Okay. No, okay. We escaped the building. We survived. 10 coins. That's a scam. Not again! Ugh, this stupid level. Oh my god. Okay. No! I don't know why I'm yelling at 6 in the morning. It's 6 in the morning. Did the roof just literally... This is a building. This is burger place. They did the burger place. No one needs this much space for burgers. Right? The ducks. Oh, where are the other levels? Did they get copyrighted with the ooh sound? 1. I'm trying to... No, I missed it. Four ducks. 5. 6 ducks. 8 ducks. Oh, I'm trash at this game. Oh, I think all the levels got copyrighted because I see nothing. And I got blown away by the tornado. Ugh. Sorry about that. Bubble wrap! The other levels did not get copyrighted. But I can't hear the bubbles. Where are the bubbles? Where are the bubbles? I have my volume down. We always. What the? Good thing I wasn't in that. The lava's rising. The lava's rising. Okay, table. Table. No! That's gonna be it for today. Bye.